What's good, my guys? My name's MKid75. Welcome back to another video. Today is a tutorial more or less for my friend Gif, who wants to start up his own YouTube channel, and for you guys that stream to Twitch that want to, put videos on your YouTube. Today's tutorial is using your live streams to make videos. So basically, or no, not basically, all you want to do is you want to come to Video Producer here on your dashboard. So you want to go to twitch.tv/your username/manager. And then you want to come to a stream that you so desire. So we're going to come to the More Seed stream. We're going to go to Highlight right here. And from here,
locate the biohazard container.
We are going to go ahead and select a time frame that we want our... I'm going to go ahead and mute audio here. So say I want to add in my Ella ace that I scored today, which I'm not even sure if this was it. It was one of these videos. Oh, was it this one? No. But anyway, you guys get the gist of it. So say I wanted that in this basic Blitz gameplay. So I would say, here, I want it right here, and I would scroll this one over here and say I wanted it to end right there, and we have it ending as of right there. Go ahead and pause it as I want to create another highlight, say from this perspective at 50:07. So we'll go ahead and say describe highlight. We'll call this test for YouTube. Description, whatever, we'll put our Twitch name right here. Doesn't really matter what you put down. Then we're going to want to say create highlight. Okay. Next thing we want to do is we want to say export to YouTube. My YouTube account is already linked to Twitch. You guys want to make sure that your YouTubes are linked to Twitch as well. And then what you want to do is you want to name your video, you want to give it a description, you want to go ahead and give it a couple tags so people could find your video easier. Make sure that you have your username in it. And then from there, you can decide whether you want it unlisted so only people with links can see it, or if you want it public so it's directly out there for people to see. Longer clips you could segment it into 15 minutes. So say you have a longer stream that you want into bits and pieces. You could segment them into 15-minute segments. I don't recommend this, but for those of you that like doing Let's Plays and want to keep your episodes to say 15 minutes, then this is definitely a good tool for you to use. From here you want to say export, and the video will go right to your YouTube channel. As it has done, excuse me, over here. So we'll come over to my video manager, and I have videos that I have done this with. So I have a Sea of Thieves video that I have done that's going to be out soon. I have a Frost video, some funny moments from previous streams that have came out, and that's all I have for you guys today on this basic ass tutorial of how to create videos from Twitch live streams. You guys have a wonderful night, wonderful day, wonderful morning, wonderful wherever you guys are. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.